Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. This is Nkere's New Year statement and state of nation. Achịkwa just hold yourself, let us go through it, don't laugh. Nkere as a new prime minister of some people and people that don't from of prime minister of charter, not of any constitution. Now listen, I'm not here to mock anybody, but let's go through the write-up. In fact, one of the reasons why I'm having writing on this at all is because of some line he used, which we are gonna get to that, where he says something about Mazen Americano and PM that they have done their part. Okay, that is meaning that they are no longer in the picture. He is the one piloting that first after hearing the rumor, after rumoring that he actually want to be prime minister. Not one, not two, not three people have confirmed that, and the action and his activities shows that that's what he wants. And he did not hesitate to start asking for people to donate money. Imagine New Year message of a prime minister, and with after a few words he started telling you about how important money is and everything. One may begin to wonder. This is no wonder PM allow him to be financial minister, because he don't joke with anything money at all. Triggers him a lot. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to his write-up. He said, New Year message from Honorable Nkere, Biafran government in acting prime minister / finance minister. My fellow Biafrans, 2025 is almost here. As we look forward to a new year, I call on every Biafran who has not yet joined our fight to fight for freedom on abounding our support to CUS to start joining them and to fight. After refusing to give financial updates on how he spent Biafran money all this while, the time for hesitation is over, he says. In Anokwa, our defense forces, here first line of his words, our not even to acknowledge all the work of Biafrans for the year, like what they have achieved, and say something about disappearance of PM, how painful, how stressful it has been for Biafrans. He don't bother that, and he will still tell you why he don't bother about it down here on his statement, because you are going to see that yourself. He said defense forces need financial and moral support more than ever. Your contribution, no matter how small, bring us closer to our freedom. After telling Biafran that you are the one, that you're a billionaire, that you don't joke with the money, that you have, in fact, without you, Biafran would be begging, would be like Bambiala, begging for money. And you are here encouraging and begging them to contribute. Remember the one that contributed before, you don't give account of it, and you, upon that, you are bragging that you are the one that financed, that made everything possible single-handedly as a billionaire. Our international lobbyists and attorney have taken their stand and express commitment to work with us, not to work with Biafrans, not to work with Biafran government, to work with us. Gente, because to work with us, celebrating the, his method of hijacking. And Elias is not finding it funny now. Go and ask him. Our leader, Master Khan, and Prime Minister Samuel Ekpanjoko have given us all we need to fight for our freedom. They have done their part. That's where I got it, where he got my attention. That they have done their part. It is now left for you and I to complete the job. Now, what if I'm did you hear anywhere he talked about as a minister, as a prime minister? Did you hear anywhere at all where he talked about what Biafrans are going through, the detention of Madam Lucano, the cancellation of PM, and any Biafrans all over the world? No, 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 no. The first thing that bothered him much is you joining him to fight for the freedom, and joining him so that the contribution would be, it would be alarming. People will gather money and give to him, and you dare not ask for his account. And when he's asking for this money, it is understandable, but it is dangerous for you to ask them to give account on what he spend money on. They will turn around to tell you, why don't you ask PM to give you account? You do not ask PM. You forgot that you are not the PM. You are not PM. In fact, most of us are even we are kind of surprised that PM could achieve all these things that he achieved with the little money people are contributing. But that's a story for another. But the reason why they ask you to give account. It's not just for financial updates, so that other person could take the office of finance, because ejira will work after a funny thing in government finance minister forever. Like most of you are pushing it as if that's what it is. Okay. So he said they have done their part. It is now for you and I to complete the job. May God bless you abundantly this coming year, and may you generously share your blessings in another for the purpose of our liberation, so that our compatriots in the homeland, who has known nothing other than destitution, may have an opportunity to have a better life when when we fully regain our freedom. In this new year, I urge every Biafran to remain law-abiding, disciplined, and focused. Could discipline somebody that has discipline and love to give account financial updates, to give reports of account that he managed for years. We must embody the change we seek, and stand as shining example of a liberated and progressive people. Remember to join us tomorrow, January 1st, 2005, at 7 p.m. Biafran time. Long live Simon Ekpa, long live Supreme Leader Masina Monicano, long live Biafran Defense Forces, long live the Biafran. All these things you are seeing here, this one can be copied, but where his statement, his own self, his own personal opinion is being aired, is the way this one that is in circle. Okay, as we can see here, this is his own thoughts. Other ones can be copied and add up, as a beginning, but even his first line of words here does not go down well with me. You cannot start by saying, hey, my fellow Biafrans, 2025 is almost here. One may say, okay, that's good, that's a good move, nice step. Then he went on by saying, I call on every Biafran who has not joined to our fight for freedom to join. At the time, you don't ask yourself how people perceive what you are doing and your presence in the whole thing, because even those who want to join before, after seeing your presence and the way you are parading yourself, will have no other choice than to step back. Some of us that already joined are finding it difficult to move with you, let alone newcomers. The new people that you can have are those that have been assured of their salary, paying them, and no volunteer will love to work with this kind of people, unless that Taruchefa. Anyway, my people, I just want to write on this and tell me what you think about it. I believe that most of you have seen this. Reason why I'm going through it is for record purpose. It's not as if it is important, to be honest, and for record purpose. I know why. Anyway, my people, thank you so much, and God bless you. Oh, before I go, let's take a look at the name that he attached here as his signature. Remember, this post was made. He sent this on 31st of December 2024. So he said, Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere. Look at it here. Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere, Biafran government is acting prime minister / finance minister. Gwazem Hedije na Tinubu or Buhari, president of Nigeria, minister of petroleum, minister of foreign affairs, minister of stock. Oh my goodness. Bye bye for now. God bless you.